subscribe button right now. If you ain't doing it,
look at this, look from the back. Look at shit. Yo, this shit's crazy.
To the vlog, we outside.
Now it's been like 30 years since we've been in one. Hey guys, it's literally been 30 years since he's been in a vlog. Right there. What are you talking about?
You wanna know my favorite firework? That one? She's walking away.
Hey, say that again.
Where's the bitches?
I'm looking for them. There's only men.
shotgun, brother?
Uh-oh. It's on video.
What's up?
Oh. What's the pole?
Whoa. My arm is tired already. Yeah.
Wait, what's the... Sorry. I have a hard time finding the hole sometimes.
Oh my god!
Yeah, you guys are flexing. Yeah!
Wow!
I'm confused.
I do it for the freak hoes. Oh, hello. Why the fuck are you so close?
Time. Fucking hot, dude.
Fucker, we outside. Oh, cuz. It's fucking hot. Okay, that's it. Cut.
Turn.
Those chickens.
Wow!
I'm not gonna lie.
I can't be out here. I have epilepsy.
I left the mic at me.
Stop filming me!
So he just said her man's is right there. Yeah, wait, hold on. Do you play Battle Royale? Yeah. You know how there's like teams and all that? It's a Battle Royale. But when it's a one-on-one, it's a lot easier to clutch a one-on-one than a, you know what I mean? I'd rather have a one-on-one than a 99v1.
Oh, I see.
You know what I mean?
Alright.
Hey, come on, what are you talking to? What are you talking about?
She's the one with the camera.
So what's the game plan?
Oh. Oh, side quest. You know what? What do you post this on? I missed it. She said.
Record it.
It's recorded.
No, of you.
No,
Stole my camera.
on the camera.
You're vlogging the vlogger. Why are you vlogging the vlogger?
The vlogger on vlogger?
Wait.
Why is her camera? Go say hi. Wait, go this way. Go like here.
Wait.
Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Wait,
my
put the light in. Put the light in.
That's how you post it.
Subscribe, Casey Oshiko.
Alright, chat, bro.
We're gonna run through the field. I'm sure already.
We're going in. We're going in. Oh shit! Oh! This shit's on fire. Shit! Oh! Oh! It's a war zone out here! Oh. Actually getting too low. Oh shit! No! We're not running that way! We're not running that way!
That's a bunker buster. That's a cluster strike.
What's that vlog?
What'd she say?
Look at
Where you got these?
from the guy. No, don't feel it. What are you? They all back there. No face, no case.
True. Yeah. Winning.
No face, no case.
Hey, what's up, CTF? Let's fight it.
Alright, we're going to the war zone. Are you gonna follow me all the way in?
Fuck no. I'm recording you from here, bro.
No. I got you. We're just gonna run across real quick. Alright, we're going back in there. We're going in. There's no one lighting. That's too far. Never mind, that's too far. We'll wait until they light it right here.
Anyways, so
Intermission. So we can talk real quick. Update,
So,
guys. Life
as of
is
right
good.
now, the security said they need to shut down because of high winds at the moment.
They not like us. They not.